Hello, so in this example, we're going to create a list and we're going to use that list to make navigations. So I'm just going to squeeze down these panels here in CodePen, and I'm going to start writing up the code for the HTML. So I'm going to write HTML. And I want the head tags, and I want the title tag. I'll call this nav bar. So let's close off this title, and let's close off this head, and we want a body tag. Of course, we want to close off the HTML tag, so we'll just put that there, and let's tidy this up. Let's format this. So we want our body tag. Just put the body there. And we want to close off that body tag. Let's put it body. And we want a header tag, so let's put our header tag in here. And let's just copy this. So the header will contain things like logos and the name of your website. So I want an H1 tag here. So let's put our H1 tag. Actually, let's just mint to, let's put that in lowercase, H1. And let's put website name. And let's close off this H1 tag with the header tag. I'm going to save this so I don't lose it. So the next thing that we want is our navigation tag just underneath the header tag. So I'm going to put navigation. We want an unordered list, and let's put that on the next line. And we want a list item. So list item li. Let's close it off. Let's close that off. So we want to close it off. And let's close off the unordered list tag. And let's close off the nav tag. Great, so let's close off this. And we want an anchor tag. ahref equals, well, we won't actually have it going anywhere yet. About, let's call this home. And let's bring that in. And let's close off this. So we have a link here. So we've got our ahref equals the hash symbol, which means it's not going anywhere. I'm just going to analyze this. And yeah, it's fine. So I'm going to copy and paste. So let's copy and paste this a few times. Yeah, so we've got our, it's just gone out of work. Actually, let's just format this. So if we format this, it looks much neater. Let's put this here so that it looks a lot neater. Let's put another one here. Great. So you can see our list forming just there. So we've got home, about, products, products, services, oops, and contact. And let's just format this. And let's format it. Great. Let's bring that down a bit and let's squish this over. Great. So just underneath our nav tag, we want to have the main section, which will have the divs. So if I type in main, and of course I'll close that off. So let's close that off like that. And then we have our div tags, div. We want an H3 in here, so we want an H3. H3. And let's close that H3 off. So let's close that H3 off and let's close that div off. Div. So let's close that off. And we'll have latest news, latest news, latest news. Latest news, and we're going to copy and paste. Features and offers. So features and offers. And I think I'll give these divs a class, which will make it easier to class. So div class equals 1. So it'll make it easier to target each div, so which will make them identifiable. Equals 2, and then we've got div class equals 3. And let's save. Let's analyze this code. Right, so we have the main, we seem to have all the main sections of our HTML, and now it's time to input the CSS.